welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to my little Lolos. Oh my god, this new year is crazy. It was crazy. The old year was crazy, and just a couple of hours has passed, and I don't think nothing has changed. It's been just a couple of freaking seconds, minutes. I could hear everywhere around my yard, but that's all good. We are here for these nails, Pooh. These nails. Just look at these. Just look at these fools. These fools. Just look at them. I love my nails. I want to know how do y'all work these? I don't know. I need to go to school for these. Like how to use them. I need to go to school for these. I have to be using the microwave like just look, because I can't. Y'all see what I'm talking about? I don't know how I'm looking crazy as hell, and I don't care, because these nails make me crazy. They make me feel crazy. I don't know, I look crazy right now, but it's the end of the year. You're supposed to look like this. I mean, 2020 gave us a new perspective of a whole lot. So these nails followed me into 2021, so I guess they're staying. Let me give you a little secret. I haven't tried these in the bathroom. I don't want to, nor I don't need to. I'm so happy these are press-ons, because I want these to rip me a new a-hole. I want no rips from the rooter to the tutor. I want it at all. I don't. And they're quite sharp. From the slapper ho tribe. You know? They give you a real backhand type T. A backhand type T. Damn. Like, Andre, how could you do this to me? Oh. I'm ridiculously. I'm serving a Grinch type tea with these nails, and they are so eccentric. But I think I want to try them in the bathroom. So you guys can tell me, how did you use your nails? Because I have to be knuckling everything, like, you know, like a Mike Tyson type tea. I have to be. It's like get them up, fool. Get them up, fool. That's me around the house. And I'm so happy they are press-ons, so I get to take them off when I'm riding and texting. Oh, tell me in the comment section how you work your nails, or if you ever got these done before, this length, because this is about a mile. Let's be honest, this is about a mile. What the hell? So, and let me know if you want to try them. Let me know if in the near or far future you would want to rock these, maybe for like a Halloween or stuff like that. Just let me know, and let's have a little discussion down below.